Let us find the limiting molar conductivity for a strong electrolyte. ஒரு strong electrolyte ஓட limiting molar conductivity calculate பண்ணனும்னா we should know the Debye-Huckel-Onsager equation, that is DHO equation. It is given as lambda m equal to lambda m naught minus a into square root of c. A is a constant. Let us substitute the given values in the equation, or we can write lambda m naught equal to 500 plus 2a. Let it be the first expression. Lambda m naught equal to 200 plus 4a. Let it be second equation. So we can equate 500 plus 2a is equal to 200 plus 4a, or 300 equal to a, or a equal to 150. இந்த constant ஏதாவது ஒரு equationல substitute பண்ணோம்னா we can get the limiting molar conductivity. Let us substitute a in 1. So the limiting molar conductivity of the strong electrolyte is 800 Siemens centimeter square per mole. உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.